If you want to use Nano Banana Pro Unlimited, this is the new and most demanding image generation model that everyone wants to use for free. But don't worry, after this video, you won't need to watch any other tutorial because I'm going to show you not one, not two, but 3 platforms where you can use Nano Banana Pro for free and use it unlimited in any platform you want. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel because the next video is going to be even more explosive. Let's start. So the first tool we're using today is Gemini, and everyone already knows that Gemini lets you generate around 3 to 4 images per day using the Pro model. I'm giving it a prompt right now just to test whether the free Pro model is actually active or not. You can also check in the settings where it clearly shows that Thinking 3 Pro is selected, and the results you can see are exactly accurate, just like the prompt I gave it. The only issue is the image quality is too low. This one is barely 1K, which honestly isn't good at all if you're trying to create something sharp, cinematic, or detailed enough for professional use. But don't worry, because the websites I'm about to show you next will let you generate unlimited 4K images for free, and the quality difference is like night and day. So our next tool is LoveArt. First, go ahead and sign up or sign in. As soon as you create an account, you instantly get 1 year of unlimited Nano Banana access. But that's only for users who already have a LoveArt subscription. If you don't have a subscription, don't worry, because they still give you free credits that let you use Nano Banana Pro without paying anything. Just click the plus button and you'll see all the options like upload image, upload video, image generator, and a bunch more. We'll click on image generator, a new window will open, and here you can generate any image by typing in your prompt. I gave it this prompt, and down below you can see 4K resolution is selected. Then click next, and within seconds the result appears. True 4K, with realistic lighting, beautiful reflections, and everything looks next level. You can easily tell the upgrade in color correction, sharpness, and detail compared to the 1K Gemini output. Let's generate another image. Again, click the plus button, and then image generate. When the window opens, under the Tools tab, you'll also see that aside from Nano Banana 2, there are many other models you can experiment with. But for now, we'll keep Nano Banana 2 selected because it consistently gives the most accurate results. Choose your ratios and run the prompt. It's fast, so you won't be sitting around waiting forever. As soon as the image generates, check the quality. Crystal clear. It focuses on the tiniest details and the color contrast is perfect, which makes the image look more realistic and professional. And if your credits run out, you can still use it unlimited with the temp mail trick. Temp mail works 100% on this site, so you can just keep using it endlessly without any issues. Now let's move to our third and final tool. And honestly, this one is the best out of everything we've used so far. It's lifetime unlimited, completely free, and shockingly powerful for what it offers. This tool is called LM Arena. At the top, you'll see an option called Battle. Click it, and then from the last option, open Direct Chat. Now select image from below. At the top, you'll see Nano Banana Pro already selected. Almost every model is available here, whether it's new, old, experimental, or advanced. We'll select Nano Banana Pro from the top. Then give it a prompt and run it. Every now and then it might show an error, just like it did right now. But don't panic because the fix is super simple. Just click the side-by-side option at the top. A new window opens. Select image model. On the first model, choose Nano Banana Pro again. On the second model, choose any model you want since our main focus is Nano Banana. Give the same prompt again and run it. Now you can see both models running, and Nano Banana 2 has already generated the image. The result is right in front of you, and this is exactly why it's the current best flagship model. It handled the crowd so accurately, it followed the lighting perfectly, and it delivered true 4K quality. You can download the image right from the top without any watermark or compression. The second model also generated its image, and the difference between older models and Nano Banana 2 becomes super clear. Nano Banana captures details others completely miss. Let's generate one more final image. I gave it another prompt and both models started working again. Nano Banana 2 finished the result once more. And again it delivered exactly what I described in the prompt. The motion capture is perfectly accurate. The textures match the description, and the colors are balanced just the way I wanted. This tool follows prompts 100% precisely. It analyzes every detail before generating, which is why its results look more accurate, more consistent, and more cinematic compared to other tools. For creators, editors, storytellers, or anyone working with AI visuals, this tool is literally a game changer. So how did you like today's explosive video? If you enjoyed it and learned something new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments what you think about Nano Banana 2. I always love hearing your opinions and ideas, and your feedback helps me make even better videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.